Bienvenidos! Welcome to Lingo Mag, a channel for English speakers who want to learn Spanish in a fun and interactive way. Today we're going to learn the greetings. Los saludos. Los saludos. And we are going to focus on the most popular ones. Los más populares. Los más populares. If you're learning Spanish, please subscribe to the channel. There will be new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Empecemos. The first one and the most common one is hola. Hola. This is just hello or hi, so it's an informal way of greeting anybody. Remember that when the H is the first letter in a word, it is not pronounced. It's completely mute. So, hola, hola. And we can use it for anybody. So whether we're talking to a young person, an older one, a woman, or a man, it's always the same. Hola. Next one is buenos días. This is the one that we use in the morning. So anytime before midday, we would say buenos días. Buenos días. Now in the afternoon, after the morning, after midday, we would say buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. And that simply means good afternoon. And as long as there is sunlight, I would say like until around 7 p.m., then you can use it. Buenas tardes. The last one is buenas noches. Buenas noches. And this is the equivalent to good evening or good night. So whenever the sun is gone, after 7 or 8 p.m., you can use this one whether you are arriving somewhere or leaving and getting ready for bed. It's perfectly fine to just say buenas noches. So let me pronounce all of them again. Buenos días. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches. The next one, when we meet someone, we can simply say mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. This would be like saying nice to meet you. So again, anyone you meet, any age, it's always appropriate to just say mucho gusto. Now to reply, you have two options. You can reply in exactly the same way and say again, mucho gusto, or you can say igualmente. Igualmente. So this would be like saying nice to meet you too, or likewise. So if you meet someone new, after you greet them, you can say mucho gusto, perhaps with a handshake, and you or them can reply repeating mucho gusto or igualmente. Igualmente. The next one, see you later, in Spanish would be hasta luego. Hasta luego. So basically that luego would be like later. So again, hasta luego. Next one, see you soon. So quite similar. This one would be hasta pronto. Hasta pronto. And another one, let's say you want to say see you tomorrow. This one is hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. So you've already learned in a previous video that mañana is the Spanish word for tomorrow. So you simply say hasta mañana. Another one, if you're leaving and you want to say goodbye, this one is adiós. Adiós. This one can work with formal greetings as well as informal, but depending on the region, it would be a bit too formal if you were talking to someone in your family or a very close friend. And in that case, you would use something shorter, like just saying bye, and that would be ciao. Ciao. So, slightly more formal, you can say adiós, but for everyday kind of conversations, you can just say ciao. Ciao. Now, let's quickly repeat all of them. Hola. Hola. Buenos días. Buenos días. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Mucho gusto. Igualmente. Mucho gusto. Igualmente. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. Hasta pronto. Hasta pronto. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. Adiós. Adiós. And the last one. Ciao. Ciao. If you'd like to get some free extra online practice, you can head over to my website, lingomag.com. There you will find an exercise I've prepared to help you learn and further practice this topic. The particular link to this video's exercise will be listed in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Hasta pronto!